topics, but before it, I want to check your attendance list. Is there anyone absent today?
No.
No, so it's complete, yeah?
Yes.
Thank you. Before we continue to our new topics, I need the captain of the class to lead the prayer together. Please.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray begin.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil.
Thank you. So as I told you at the previous, we are going to have a new learn things or new things. The topic is about language and identity in social media. You are familiar with those things, is it?
Yes.
What about this icon?
Instagram.
Instagram.
Yes.
Yeah. What about the second one?
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn. Okay. What kind of activity you will post to Instagram?
Maybe story.
Story. What kind of story? Good. Thank you.
Reels.
Reels. What kind of reels and story do you share in Instagram?
Maybe like sharing about the
Holiday.
Sharing about your vacation, holiday, vlog, daily life. What else? Okay, I would like to share about our learning objective. So by the end of the course, students, you will be able to identify language variation across social media platforms, understanding principle of religious moderation in digital communication, recognize integration of scientific and Islamic perspective in online content. Okay, let's first go through these things. Can you see the picture here?
Yes.
What kind of picture do you see?
sunset.
See, sunset, and then
Bali.
Bali. Okay. Now, where do you find this? There is a caption here. Past weekend vibes with my squad. Come live. We finally made it to Bali. Living for these moments. And there is hashtag here. When the last blessed Bali life. Could you please, one of you, share? Where do you find? Okay. One of you. Instagram. Oh, okay, you have the same answer. So yeah, that's good. You will find this kind of captions, and also this picture you will find on Instagram. What do you think about this? What makes this language distinctly Instagram appropriate? How do you think that this caption appropriate to Instagram? Kenapa bahasa itu cocok untuk Instagram, not in LinkedIn, not in Twitter, or even Facebook? What do you think? Kenapa cocok di Instagram? Raise your hand.
Karena mungkin kebanyakan kalau dalam LinkedIn, saya mau menganu yang LinkedIn karena kalau di LinkedIn itu kebanyakan memakai bahasa formal language because just for some looking job.
Okay.
Jadi cocok ke Instagram.
Okay. So today you are going to learn about language and social media. The first is digital identity, how we present ourselves online. Why I will learn about digital identity? Karena in using digital platform, social media, this actually show your identity. How you present your language, how you present your caption on Instagram, on LinkedIn, how you present your CV, is it? How you present your opinion on X Twitter, that represent your identity. Gimana sih identitas kamu? Apakah kamu punya jiwa toleransi? Apakah kamu punya jiwa respect atau yang lain-lain? I would like to move to the next phase. It is main activity. That will be task planning. You are going to divide it into some groups, and the groups will analyze the aspect that provided post, like Instagram and also Twitter or X. So please identify hashtag promoting religious harmony, karena kita belajar di lingkungan PTKI kan. Jadi hal-hal yang akan kalian identifikasi adalah sosial media yang berbau hashtag di religious harmony. First group will have Twitter, and the second group will have Instagram. Okay. Tulis nama kelompoknya. Ini ada, ini apa? Twitter, ada yang ada.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Baik, di sini kami dari kelompok 1 will just show you that some tweets in X.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, we are from group 1. We'll show you about group 2. Kita bakal melihatin caption dari Instagram orang. Dia tuh bilang, dia tuh ngelihat kalau di Masjid Istiqlal itu ada Paul Franciscus itu dah pokoknya. Terus sama Nasaruddin Umar itu saling berinteraksi gitu. Padahal mereka kan seorang imam yang dari agama yang berbeda gitu kan. Nah, di situ itu isinya tuh kayak berciuman tangan gitu. Nah di gambarnya ini dibilang kalau momen ini itu mengilustrasikan beauty of tolerance gitu. Nah, kita bisa dilihat di hashtagnya ada tolerance, religious tolerance sama religious harmony.
Kapan kamu nemuin postingan tersebut?
Elsa, udah 2 minggu yang lalu. Momennya udah agak lama soalnya.
Okay, Sino. Thank you. Give a go back to your seat. Ayo kembali. Ya kan. Okay, you have done your presentations and now we are going to have post-class discussion of patterns. What kind of pattern do you see in Instagram and what kind of patterns do you see in Twitter? Pattern bahasa yang dipakai dalam Instagram apa? Hashtag. Emo, and then
Slang, informal apa?
Slang, okay. Informal language, good, thank you. Abbreviation. Most people use Instagram and Twitter in casual communication. Okay, that's for post-task discussion. So now, what have you got today? Apa yang kalian dapatkan hari ini? Could you please raise your hand to share what you have got today? Okay.
How to use our language for some digital platform as Instagram,
Okay, good.
LinkedIn, Twitter.
Good. Okay. What else?
Penggunaan bahasa di masing-masing sosial media seperti Instagram,
Okay.
Twitter, dan LinkedIn.
Okay, good. Thank you. What do we adjust our communication style? Why do we adjust our communication style? Kenapa sih kita butuh menyesuaikan komunikasi dengan Instagram, LinkedIn, dan juga Twitter? Kenapa perlu menyesuaikan?
Personal branding.
Personal branding, identitas, apa lagi? Kenapa harus menyesuaikan? Kenapa nggak? Udah LinkedIn karena saya orangnya hip-hip hura gitu. Jadi saya pakai casual. Kemudian karena saya orangnya sangat serius, jadi dimanapun saya akan pakai serius. Kenapa harus berubah?
For professional interaction.
Professional interaction, code switching. What else? Activity that you can use in LinkedIn and also anything else. Any questions so far before we close our sessions today? No? If no question, we come to the closing part. So I will give you something like your project or activity in your work, in your home. Please create social media. You can post it on your Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, everything, or Facebook. Cari apa saja yang berhubungan dengan Islamic wisdom. Entah itu tentang respect, tolerance, or something like that. Kamu bisa juga mengaitkan dengan scientific. Okay, is it clear for you?
Yes.
Thank you. That's all for our class today. Let's close our class today by reciting Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you so much. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Ma'am.